Yeah, just revealing them winning number. There you go. On the hot, we got 10. I got 3 hot, $10, $20, and another $20. So that's uh, $50 winning ticket. Second, Sleigh Bell. We got a winning ticket too of another $3 and another Sleigh Bell that reveal to bell at the last in the bottom, last game at the bottom, and then we got $3 multiplied by 2, so $6. So we got ourselves spend $24, and then we got, let's see, $50 plus let's see, $50 plus 9, so we got ourselves $59 of a winning lottery scratch off. Love you all. Good luck. Have a nice day. Thank you.